How you doing? My name is Jonathan Banda. Today we'll be talking about how to install a telescopic cylinder and the tools that you will be needing. Before we begin, we will need an impact, 3/4 inch socket, and a 3/4 inch wrench. In the kit, you will be having 2 brackets, 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and 8 washers, along with this pin. The cylinder will be placed here, but will be wrapped differently. Now that we have the cylinder in place, you will need this pin and this safety pin. Once you have installed the safety pin, you have to ensure that you twist it to the opposite direction. Just like that. Once we've installed the pin on the cylinder, we're going to install these brackets. This is the position that they need to go in. Now that you've installed the brackets, you will need your bolts. Once we've installed the bolts, you will need an impact, 3/4 inch socket, and a 3/4 inch wrench. And the bolts will need to be torqued at 75 pounds.